What if you could make money on YouTube without making videos? It sounds crazy, but I'd like to introduce you to something called niche YouTube channels. And chances are you've probably seen tons of channels already doing this, but what you probably didn't know is that a lot of these channels could actually be making a lot of money. And basically the way it works is that you go to some special websites, you download videos, you repurpose them to make them more valuable, and then you monetize them. My name is Matt Parr, and my students, along with myself, are the people behind a lot of the big faceless YouTube channels out there. I personally run over a dozen different YouTube channels, most of which I never even show my face or even create the videos for. I've been able to get over 1 million subscribers on a channel, which earned me this gold play button, and multiple other channels to over 100,000 subscribers, which got me multiple silver play buttons. I was a completely broke high school student a couple years ago back in 2014, and at the time I did have a YouTube channel and I would just upload like backyard stunts, gaming videos with my friends and that sort of thing, and I'd be lucky if I had a video get 10 views. That is, until I came across a YouTube channel that went by the name of Top 5s. And what was really interesting about this channel is that they created videos without ever even showing their face and got millions upon millions of views. They used other people's videos, they did a voiceover on top of them, and they made them fair use. And the thing about the videos is that they seemed so easy to make. So you know what I did? I took this cracked phone that I had at the time, I recorded voiceovers, I edited them together on my laptop, and I uploaded the videos to YouTube. And after switching to this method of doing YouTube, I was able to get to $3,000 a month in the next couple months, and I got up to $9,000 a month not too long after that. And mind you, this is all while being in high school. And what's absolutely incredible about niche YouTube channels is that you can pay other people to make the videos for you. And so once my time was taken up with creating YouTube videos when I was making around $9,000 per month, I hired freelancers online and I put together a content team for very cheap. And then with all this extra time, I was able to start new channels in different niches. And this is how I've scaled up to making over $30,000 per month just from one single monetization source alone. And if you include all of my income sources from YouTube, I make over $100,000 per month. And I don't love to talk about how much money that I'm making from all these different sources, but I'm making this video series for that one person out there who's thinking about doing YouTube or who wants to start an online business, but they just don't know where to start. And honestly, I wish I had this resource when I was starting on YouTube. It would have been so incredibly helpful, and I would have been able to bypass years of experience condensed down into this video series you're watching right now. Now, before I explain to you more in depth what this unique way of doing YouTube is, let me kind of paint a vivid picture for you what most people think of when they think of doing YouTube. And this will simply give you more context to really truly appreciate how amazing niche YouTube channels are. When most people think about doing YouTube, they think about what I'm doing right here, sitting behind a camera and recording videos. And while there are a lot of pros to this method, there are also a lot of cons. First of all, you spend a bunch of money buying expensive microphones, lighting, cameras, and then you have to set up this whole studio. And then you sit there trying to come up with video ideas that you hope will get views, and for most people, they never do. And then you spend hours in front of a camera filming videos with countless retakes, and you have to have a good on-camera personality. And then you edit videos for hours upon hours upon hours, and then when you finally get a video up with all that hard work that you put into it, your video might not get any views. And even if it does, then you have to deal with people personally attacking you within the comments. And then you simply have to do this process over and over again. Now, you might have been thinking about doing this, you might have already tried this and you know how draining of a process this can be, or you've seen tons of other people try to do this and fail. Now, a lot of people think that when it comes to making money on YouTube without showing your face, they think that you have to steal content from other people and just re-upload it onto YouTube. And that's just about the worst thing that you can possibly do. Because sure, maybe you upload some videos, you get some views, but all it takes is a couple copyright strikes and your video gets taken down. And that's why a lot of people who attempt to make money on YouTube without making videos aren't able to have real long-term success with their channels. And I've been able to build a real long-term business with YouTube by doing this the real way. Now you might be asking, Matt, What is the real way? Well, within this 6-video series that you're watching right now, I'm gonna walk you through exactly what this method is, the best niches to do this in, step by step how to get started doing this, and why doing this isn't as hard as you probably think. And there's a ton of benefits in doing this the real way. With niche YouTube channels, you never have to step in front of a camera and record videos and deal with everything that goes along with that process. You can start generating videos for completely free in the beginning, meaning that when you start making money, there is a 100% profit margin. And most importantly, when you do start making money, you can outsource the content creation and get other people to make the videos for you, meaning you can make money on YouTube without making videos. And imagine you just had one niche YouTube channel and made an extra $3,000 per month. How would that change your life? Would you be able to quit your job? Or imagine having multiple niche channels that are fully automated that bring you in income 24 hours of the day. And all you have to do is spend a few hours a day managing your operation. And then with the rest of your time, you're free to do whatever you want. And you have money coming in to pay for whatever you want to pay for in your life. And the reason I'm saying all this is because most people don't let it sink in how incredible niche YouTube channels are. Most people think that in order to do online business, you have to be talking with people nonstop, you have to be amazing at sales, you have to have a product, and all of these things go completely out the window when it comes to niche YouTube channels. Now you might be skeptical about this, and you might be asking for more information, which I am going to give to you, but I just want you to imagine if you woke up every single day having multiple niche YouTube channels bringing in consistent revenue. And think about everything else in your life that would fall in line as a result of this. For example, you'd have more time to spend with what truly matters in life, like your family and friends. You'd be able to travel, complete bucket list things, like for example, I dove on a submarine to over 1,000 feet deep recently. I traveled to 5 different countries in the past month alone, and I would have never been able to do this unless I had a job that I could just take with me wherever I go. And that's the beauty of niche YouTube channels. You can literally be anywhere with an internet connection and you can do this. And this would be a game changer, right? Well, this video is the start of a completely free 6-video series that you can think of as a free course. And in the next video in this series, I'll walk you through exactly how you can start implementing this to get results fast. In fact, I'm going to share with you over 20 of the best niches to do this in and how to get started ASAP. So make sure you stay tuned because you do not want to miss the next video. And also, I have some very exciting news for those of you who are serious about doing this the right way for sure over the next 90 days. In a few days, I'm gonna be releasing my Tube Mastery 3.0 program with a ton of bonuses, and I'm gonna take on a handful of new students and mentor and guide them step by step exactly how to have success doing this. And as much as I'd love to help every single person out there with running niche YouTube channels, I find that my students get the absolute best results when we're in a small private group where I can answer your questions daily. I get way too many questions over Instagram, YouTube, email, for me to answer them personally and for me to make sure that they're doing things the right way to get the results that they want. And that's why I'm launching Tube Mastery 3.0, in which I have a private group and I answer every single question daily within it. So this is going to be a huge opportunity, and spots are going to be granted on a first come, first serve basis. So if this is something that you're interested in, make sure you click the link down below this video and sign up for something called the Early Bird Waitlist. If you put your name on the Early Bird Waitlist, you'll get a registration link to join the program at a discounted rate 1 day before it's open to the public. You'll get the link the night before, so make sure to put your name on the Early Bird Waitlist down at the link below. All you have to do is enter your name and email address, and your spot will be reserved to get early access to the program. That being said, I hope you're excited based off of this video, and I hope you can feel my excitement because niche YouTube channels are, in my opinion, one of the best ways of making money online. Now, if the next video within the video series is already out, you can check it out right here next to me, and it's going to show you 20 plus of the absolute best niches to do this in, so you're not just guessing, and so you can make sure that you can get results doing this. Check out this video right here next to me to see those niches. Thanks for watching, everybody. My name is Matt Parr, and I'll see you in the next video.